Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki and today I have a thrift flip for you. Say that 3 times fast. I got this sign at Goodwill and I'm going to start off by sanding the top a little bit. The word gather is on there pretty good and there's quite a few layers, so I'm just going to sand it down a little bit. I'm going to go in with my mud paint. This is clay paint and it's the color Simply White. And I'm going to go over this 3 times. This color did not want to be covered. I'm going to let that dry for a while, and then I'm going to go and put a nice thick heavy coat of Mod Podge. Next, I'm centering this rice paper I got on the DIYstruggle.com, and I'm going to try and get this centered the best I can and then reactivate that Mod Podge and get that adhered. I'm going to distress it a little bit with antique linen. I got these handles down the road from my house. They sell barn boards and a lot of antique stuff. Before I drill those down, I'm going to sand it a little bit. Typically, I tear my rice paper so that way it doesn't have such a clean edge, but I wasn't thinking today. So I am pre-drilling my holes and then I'm just going to go in and screw those down in there. I'm adding on one more layer of Mod Podge. I got these beautiful wooden corner pieces off of Temu, and I'm going to use my homemade stain, which is water and burnt umber, and I'm going to go over these and then wipe them with a microfiber rag. I'm going over this one more time with my iron and just try to work out the wrinkles and the bubbles. They're not too bad, but it does look better afterwards. I'm going to distress my board with some antique wax, and please hang with me because you're going to see this project start to go south. And so I'm using the rub and buff, and I kind of went crazy. Like I couldn't stop myself. I kept going and going. And the whole time I'm like, what are you doing, Nikki? Stop. And then before I knew it, there was so much rub and buff everywhere and it was so gold. I was like, oh my, what am I going to do? But I'm going to show you the process because it is just a nightmare. And this is where I'm on my path to redemption. Holy moly, I didn't think that I would get here. I thought I was going to have to sand the whole project down. I didn't know what I was going to do, but it starts to come together nicely. And then as I'm going, I'm like, okay, this is starting to look good. Have you ever had a project that you thought was going to be a total botch, but then it turned around and you absolutely love it? This is one of those projects for me. I honestly didn't think that I was going to be able to fix this. And so I'm going to glue on my little corners. And yeah, this is the end of it. And I really hope that you guys love this as much as I do because this was a big surprise for me. And this is the final result. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Let me know down in the comments what you think and if you would make it. If you stuck with me through the whole thing, go ahead and leave me a flower emoji down below. Like, subscribe. I'd love for you to stick around. Bye.